Hybrid tray cables find applications in various industrial and commercial settings. Firstly, there are the ITC, or instrumentation tray cables, designed for instrumentation and control circuits. Several variations exist, including ITCER, which denotes exposed run rating allowing for cable runs outside of cable trays in certain situations, ITCLS for low smoke applications, ITCLSER for both low smoke and exposed run capabilities, ITCHL indicating a hazardous location rating, and ITCHLER combining hazardous location and exposed run features. Secondly, IPH cables, representing instrumentation power hybrid cables, integrate both power and instrumentation conductors within a single cable assembly, similarly followed by its exposed run version IPHER. Thirdly, IPHL cables, signifying instrumentation power hazardous location cables, are suitable for hazardous environments, and IPHLER add exposed run capabilities to the hazardous location rating. Fourthly, ITPL cables, denoting instrumentation tray power limited cables, are designed for power limited circuits, followed by ITPL-ER, which again has exposed run capabilities. Fifthly, ITP-HL, or instrumentation tray power hazardous location cables, cater to hazardous locations requiring both power and instrumentation, along with ITP-HL-ER with exposed run rating. Sixthly, ITC-LP cables, signifying instrumentation tray cable low power cables, are intended for low power applications, along with ITC-LP-ER for exposed run applications. Seventhly, IPLP cables, representing instrumentation power low power cables, integrate power and low power circuits, and IPLP-ER with exposed run designation. These cables are often used in manufacturing plants, refineries, and other industrial facilities. Then there are hybrid cable and coil types. ITCH, or instrumentation tray cable hybrid, and IPCH, instrumentation power cable hybrid, are also used. The exposed run rating, or ER suffix, signifies that the cable has been tested and approved for installation outside of cable trays, offering flexibility in routing. The LS suffix indicates low smoke characteristics, which are critical in enclosed spaces to minimize visibility obstruction during a fire. The HL suffix denotes hazardous location suitability, meaning the cable is designed to withstand the harsh conditions and potential explosive atmospheres found in such environments. Remember to always consult the NEC, or National Electrical Code, and local regulations for specific installation requirements and permitted uses of these cable types. Correctly identifying the application and environmental conditions is crucial in selecting the appropriate hybrid cable to ensure safe and reliable operation.